Hello, folks. Welcome to YouTube channel of Loop Learnings. This is our first endeavor. This is my first tutorial. I'm recording an introduction on YouTube, and I'm very excited to demonstrate and show you the practical examples on different applications. So very quickly, I will be telling you now that what we'll be covering. We'll talk about Microsoft Excel, right from the basics to intermediate and even to the advanced level of Microsoft Excel. I will be demonstrating Microsoft Words for people who are just getting starting with the video tutorial with the Microsoft Word. Microsoft Access is a really great application to build the desktop applications. So I'll be giving demos right from the basics to intermediate and even to the advanced level. We'll talk about PowerPoint. PowerPoint is another great platform to develop the presentations, and then Microsoft Outlook as well, and many more Microsoft applications and other applications that are not mentioned in this first introduction video. We'll also, in down the line, we'll also be talking about some automotive tutorials. I'm from the automotive field, so I think I will be sharing my knowledge, my expertise, whatever I learn during these 15 years of my experience. So, for example, how to become service advisor. Maybe there is someone out there who would like to become a service advisor, who would like to jump into the automotive field and would like to become a service advisor or even a parts advisor. So stay tuned. I will be sharing the video tutorials on how to become service advisor, how to become even parts advisor, and many more in automotives as well. So head to the YouTube channel Loop Learnings. Please subscribe to this channel and also follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/Loop Learnings. Thank you very much, and I will be looking forward to share with you my knowledge.